Hi everyone, Patrick here. We have a couple of rumors for you today. Let's start with a GF500mm f5.6. That one will be announced on May 16 too, and we have the price in euro, and it will cost 3,899 euro. Coming on May 16 along with the GFX100S Mark II, the XT50 and the XF16 to 50mm 2.8/4.8. Okay, that's rumor number one. Number two is that we can leak now the first images of the GFX100S Mark II, and here is the image. Now at the first glance it might look identical to the GFX100S, and it mostly is, but there is a noticeable difference, and that is the texture of the camera. It will be the new Bishamon texture that we have already on the GFX100 II, so that one will be used also on the GFX100S Mark II. So, leaked images, the price of the GF500mm also coming on May 16. It is a huge examen, lots of products, and as usual there will be also surprises, so definitely stay tuned on FujiRumors and on this channel, because more rumors are coming, rumors that look far beyond May 16, okay? So stay tuned. Goodbye, ciao, have a great day, ciao.